Yo, what is good, everybody? What's good, Shill Squad? Welcome back to the Shill stream. We are live right now. Man, it feels good to be streaming. Been pumping out these videos back to back, trying to do them almost every day. We've been pretty consistent, and here we are with the live stream, man. Love the live stream where I really get to actually talk to everybody, find out what's in your bags, find out what I'm looking at. I get to interact with you guys directly and really chat it up. But if you guys aren't in the Shill Squad Telegram group, make sure you guys go ahead and join that, because Telegram group is always popping. Hey, we got Randy Sargent in the building. I see my man Sandman is in the building. He said we sure missed out on Ave. I've been talking about Ave for a little while. You could have caught a little gains on Ave, a little some on the Ave. Maybe not as early as when the home girl Frey had jumped in on the Ave, like probably like under $80 or something like that. She was in early and she was talking about it in a Shill Squad chat, man, in the Telegram group. So make sure y'all join that, man. The Shill Squad Telegram group is where it's at. I'm gonna raise my volume a little bit. It don't look like I'm loud enough. Testing. All right, I think we good right now. Y'all let me know if the volume is good. Hey, Chief Reef, what's that? We got Reef. Is that a coin? You know, we're gonna check out some coins. I need to know what's in you guys' bag. Somebody said I work at Reef. What is Reef, bro? Y'all need to let me know what the Reef is, man. Y'all need to let me know what that is. Let me pop out this chat over here and let's get into it, man. Let me go ahead and actually pull up my channel just so I could give myself my little introduction, and then we're gonna go straight to the bags, man. Straight to the bags. So let's go ahead and switch that out. All right, if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe and you turn on post notifications. This is where we talk about altcoins, straight low cap gems, all the hidden treasures of cryptocurrency live. We look at what other people are holding. I learn from you, you learn from me. This is the spot you want to turn on your post notifications, because this is where we learn what people are looking at. The thing you need to do if you want to double your bread, triple your bread, 10x, 5x, whatever, you want to see some multiples, maybe even up to 100x, you got to know what other people are looking at, and you need to get in early. That is the best way to do it. You got to get in early. So what's the best place to do that? Right here on the Shill Squad, Shill stream. This is where we talk about those gems first, all right? So today we're definitely going to look at a couple projects that I'm in or interested in, and then we're gonna go ahead and find out what you guys are holding as well, and we're gonna go ahead and just talk about it, man. So it doesn't matter what level of shill it is. It could be ranked 700. We're gonna look at it, bro. I'm okay with that. We are going to look at it. Let me make sure I got my chat up here, because all right, it was a little hidden. Somebody said I just shilled myself and picked up a bag of new. And you, how you shill yourself, bro? That is bugged out. If you shilling yourself, that's crazy, man. Let's see. You made me sell my ETH with all them siren intros saying crypto is falling. Who? What are you talking about, bro? You are way off. In my videos, I specifically said I ain't doing nothing right now. You're way off. That is like the opposite of what I said I was doing. I'm not doing anything right now. And on top of that, even more so, even though I said I'm not doing anything, I said I'm buying regardless. I am buying regardless. You need to really watch these videos through and stop making impulsive decisions, bro. Real talk, man. But I appreciate you being here, man. The more you stick around, the more you get used to this thing, man. The price didn't dip as you claimed. You crazy, bro. You crazy. So anyway, man, let's go ahead and get into CoinGecko. So prices are bouncing around right now. You know, Bitcoin is kind of struggling to stay over 32,000. Yeah, Amazing A said facts. Never heard you claim that. Yeah, this dude is out of his mind. ETH, bro? Are you crazy? I'm trying to accumulate as much ETH as possible. Please understand that. That is my goal, bro. Like, it's to accumulate as much Bitcoin and Ethereum as possible. I try to make that as clear as possible by giving you guys videos like my video with Aave, where I show you guys how you can basically multiply your Ethereum using the current ETH you have as leverage. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. I'm streaming on Chrome, but I got Brave as my main browser. I kind of screwed myself up by using a VPN while I was logged in, and it knocked me out. So here I go. This is bullish. This is ETH right here, 3 days ago. Secret strategy. I show you guys how basically I try to like multiply my Ethereum and just make sure I'm constantly watching my collateral. A lot of people were contacting me asking me, hey, did you get liquidated? Hey, did you get liquidated? No way did I get liquidated, bro. I was cool. I don't keep my collateral too high where I even have the possibility of getting liquidated unless we see another Black Thursday like we did back in March. All right, that's the only way that that's gonna happen to me. Otherwise, I'm paying a close attention to the markets, man. But dude, ETH all day, man. ETH, Bitcoin, I'm accumulating. I don't care where the price goes. I've been through these cycles. Right now, we are on a bull run, man. We're on a bull run. We've had a crazy pullback. We might pull back some more, but we are on a bull run. I'm accumulating, whether the price goes up or down. Let me show you something with ETH. So here we are on ETH, right? This is when in doubt, zoom out. I'm looking at the weekly. Typically I look at the daily and then either the 1 hour or the 4 hour chart if I'm trying to make like some type of trade or something like that. But usually I'm looking at the daily and I'm looking at the weekly. Right now, you know, I'm still not really doing anything, especially because of the weekly chart. We got a doji right here. This little, when you basically have like this lightsaber where there's, you know, 2 long wicks. Can you guys see? Yeah, you can. All right. When you see like these 2 long wicks on both sides and it's just like not much going on over here, that's called a doji right there. And it's kind of like an indecision candle, not really sure where the market's going to go. So I'm not doing anything too crazy like putting in longs. Technically I have a long open with Aave, but I'm not like going on Bybit or Bityard or FTX and, you know, going to those perpetual contracts and putting in long positions or short positions. However, when the market was pulling back the other day, which it really did, when I was talking about, you know, Bitcoin in the symmetrical triangle, that I did talk about for sure, and I was 100% right that we were going to make a major move. What I did say though was that I wasn't going to do anything until I got confirmation. And once we really broke out of this candle and broke under like around 33, that's when I put in a short position. I put a short position on, I put a short position on XRP actually. Made some gains on XRP just going short. I just be going to wherever the one I feel like is going to go down the most. You know, I knew Bitcoin was going down. It was going to take some others with it, but it definitely bounced back up. Let me go back to the daily. Yeah, so once we got over, you know, here with the 33, this is what I told you guys I was looking at. And I'm not the guy you want to really come to for the TA, man. You know, for real, I have no shame in saying that, but I had drew a line right here, basically at 33, where these candles right here closed, right? And I said, once I get confirmation, then I might put in a short position. And we came down, bro. We came down. I literally said I was looking for 10% gains to 30,000, and that's exactly what happened. That's literally what happened. So watch videos all the way through, man. You gotta really pay attention and not make impulsive decisions, because that's how you get wrecked. Right now I am paying attention to the moving average. We kind of like bounced off of the 50-day moving average on Bitcoin. So you know, let's just see where we go from here, man. I know there's probably some patterns forming on the 4-hour chart. I haven't really been, you know, paying too much mind, but man, even on the 4-hour, we are really about to break that 200-day moving average. Not looking too sweet over here on that one, but you know, that is what it is. I'm not really tripping like that. Just kind of just watch and see where the market goes. But for ETH right now, ETH is looking pretty safe, man. I use the Fib extension to find out, you know, some of the levels that we could be looking for with ETH. When it comes to that, because we're going, you know, towards all-time highs, I like to, you know, basically go from, let's see, Fib extension over here. I like to go from bottom all the way to the top, you know, here. Just spread that all the way out so that we could see it. Here we go. And yeah, so this is how I'm looking at it for targets with Ethereum, with the Fib extension. You know, I see people giving different opinions on how they do their fibs and stuff like that. Somebody said Tron 100% move coming. Tron is overdue for a nice pump, so that'll be pretty cool. I'm gonna keep my eyes on that. And it seems like, you know, things outside of the Ethereum ecosystem have definitely been pumping, so very interesting. Hey, shout out Quarter Crawler, he's in the building, man. Lodak is in the building, you already know what it is. Fees is in the building. MG Tao, we got Tower, we got Chun. Yo, shout out to everybody for jumping in the chat, man. It's love, man. Ruby and Remy. Any take on TOS finance latest Polkadot? We're gonna have to look at that. TOSDIS, I think that's what it was. Yeah, we're gonna have to take a look at that. Telos about to hit 4 cents. Telos, I'm seeing people talk about Telos a little bit more than I actually expected. I know I was in Telos, you know, back then, and it wasn't really doing the greatest. You know, the whole EOS ecosystem, EOS IO ecosystem was kind of just like not doing the greatest, but I see people talking about Telos, and my man's Fees, he was telling me about the EVM that they have on there, meaning that they're going to be able to put Ethereum applications to run on Telos fairly easy, so that's nice. But yeah, with Ethereum, bro, I mean, even if we pull back and we test the 50-day moving average over here, you know, we could see something as low as 900, but really I'm looking for the upside. You know, 2300 next target, and then you know, after that, once we go to like 2300, I think people feel more confident, like, okay, pullbacks, big dips are gonna happen, and they're not gonna worry as much. I think that once they see this parabolic run to all-time highs, crazy pullback, and then we break, and then we go and we really start hitting these targets, 2300, I think that we're gonna potentially go all the way. I see people calling 10,000 ETH. I'm more looking at 6,000, but you know, that is what it is, man. I'm trying to accumulate. So another thing I've been seeing people talk about is ETH against Bitcoin. It's been breaking a multi-year downtrend against Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and see if we can find that on the charts as well. Let's see. ETH Bitcoin. This is against Binance. Yeah, it looked like you could even probably see it from here. No, not on the... Is that what they're talking about right there? I feel more comfortable with this. There you go. I feel more comfortable with this. There you go, right there. Not from the all-time high wick over there, but from over here, it does look like we've been just, you know, we faked out over here. Been just having a downtrend against Bitcoin for a long time. We, you know, tested it, and then here we are. We finally broke out, and man, we might see ETH really run against Bitcoin, and we've already kind of been seeing that. ETH dominance almost at 15%, which is awesome. You know, Bitcoin dominance coming down. You know, we've been at a point where ETH was like 29% dominance and Bitcoin was like 32. Who knows? Could happen. Let's go ahead and check out Reef, man. I see people talking about Reef. Is it on here? Reef Finance. Reef to 10 cents easy. Ooh-wee, all right. So Reef Finance, this thing has only been on CoinGecko for about 2 weeks. It's already up 100% in the past 2 weeks. Guys, remember, if in the game of doubling, right? Like, man, if you start off with $1,000 and you double your money, now you have 2,000, and then you double that again, and now you have 4,000. If you do that 10 times, you'll be a millionaire. It's not that easy, especially once you start getting into 5 figures. Are you really gonna try to put that whole 10,000 in, try to double it? Once you get to 20, you're gonna try to double it to 40, or you're gonna put the whole 40 in, double to 80. But the reality is, if you were able to double each time, after 10 times, starting at $1,000, you will become a millionaire. You will have $1 million. So guys, the bags are here. Look at this. Somebody just call out Reef. They just called it out right here on the show stream. It's already up 100%, meaning that if you did this doubling action every month, you did one in January, then February, then March, and then you continue for the rest of the year just doubling, you'd be a millionaire by the end of the year. Somebody just called out something that is already up 100% in the past 2 weeks, saying that it's possibly going to go up another 5x. That's crazy. let's see, the volume of my music, the volume of my voice, the volume of the trades here. What's going on? Let me know about the volume, man. Let me know about the volume. Crazy volume on this. If that's what you're talking about, 46 million. Whew, let's go ahead and check out Reef.finance. This is now on Binance. All right, so the gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation, proprietary analytics, and multi-chain accessibility. Powered by Polkadot, and it's on Binance. So let's go ahead and see. Got a couple names behind them. NGC, we know about them. I feel like Genesis Block sounds familiar. I don't know. Whatever. You know, they got investors. So they got investors. If you stake DOT, you can get back Reef. Double earnings. Look at that on Binance. Look at that. The gems. The gems. If you stake your DOT, you can get back Reef. Double earnings on Binance. That I might have to check out. Let's see. Somebody said ramp. We're gonna definitely look at ramp. I've been seeing it pumping recently, so that's pretty cool. Ecosystem. So they use 0x, Kyber, Maker, Compound, Synthetics. This is wonderful. And then exchange and trading market. You got Huobi, Bitfinex, Coinbase, BitMEX, Binance. Reef gets liquidity from everywhere, both centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. What? Is that right? Is that right now? Hey, Pseudo Greek is in the building, man. What up, yo? Pseudo Greek in the building, man. Yeah, look, this is so far interesting at a glance, bro. I just glanced at it and I'm interested. Yo, real talk, let me tell y'all something, man. You know, you want to do research and make sure that you're not gonna get, you know, finessed. You're not gonna get rug pulled or anything like that. But for the most part, you just want to be ahead of the crowd. What is the crowd gonna buy? If the crowd's gonna buy it, you want to get in first. So even if you don't see maybe long-term sustainability with some of these projects, if you're just trying to flip, just is the crowd going to jump on this? Then that's when you jump in first, man. Real talk. Hey, shout out to Fees. He said last night conversation was dope. That's a fact. I was on Crypto Fees' channel. So let me go ahead and pull that up for anybody that's interested. Just check out my boy Crypto Fees channel, man. That's my homie right there. Glad to see him back into the crypto space. So me and him, we definitely did a quick little, you know what I mean? We was chatting it up yesterday, me and him. I'm gonna go ahead and share this in the chat right now if anybody's interested. Video really starts about 11 minutes. We had some technical difficulties, but we got through that. So starts at about 11 minutes. Let me go ahead and throw that in the chat, and then we're gonna get back to this Reef joint. Let's see, Shilling Hard, ChainX, BTC relay chain to Polkadot and Kusama. Soon airdrop 1 KSX to all holders of PCX. Super undervalued blue chip when Kusama and Polkadot chains are live. No hype. Man, Polkadot is doing its thing, bro. Polkadot's doing its thing, man. You know, there's always this contender against ETH, right? And this is another one that's powered by Polkadot, this refinance. There's always these like ETH contenders, and Polkadot is coming out and saying, we're not really a contender. We're really gonna complement what ETH got going on. We're gonna be a player in this space, but you know, we're gonna help ETH, honestly. And it's from one of the founders of ETH. So obviously it has, you know, a nice spot in his heart, and he knows the ins and outs. So Polkadot, man, is really a problem out here, bro. And I understand why all these coins are pumping. And the beauty is that these coins are, the tokens are dropping on Ethereum. So you could go to Uniswap for the most part to get them, man. So waiting for it to go live and for all of this stuff to really happen, I'm going to be excited. Yeah, so I'm going to do some more research on this just so I'm not spending, you know, a bunch of time over here. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to keep this tab open, and we're going to definitely check out Reef later on, man. So before I go ahead and check out ChainX, I want to tell you guys about a project that I already spoke about before, and that is Perpetual Protocol, man. This one is interesting. 648. Somebody asked me about this yesterday. I don't know if you guys could see the price, but somebody asked me about this yesterday. 648 over here. Somebody asked me about this, and it was like $5 and change. And bro, it's lit. Somebody said perp needs a VPN. That is correct. They try to tell you it's against their policy. Who cares, bro? I'm in here. I want to use it. I'm gonna use it, bro. Just, you know, if you gotta know that it comes with risk if you're gonna go ahead and use a VPN and use it. But I'm not really here to use the platform very much. I just know that this project is doing serious volume right now on their exchange on a layer 2, on L2, which is actually XDAI. And right now it's doing really good, man. I'm surprised it's actually at 648. This is great. Look at the numbers, man. You guys can see the numbers right here. You know, 24 hours up over 20%, 7 days up over 80%, 14 days 200%, and in the past month over 500%. Guys, the doubles, the triples, they're out there. So I'm telling you, let's make this M, bro. Let's make this M. We could do it, man. We could do it. This one's been climbing the ranks, so I'm gonna hold on to it probably for a little while, bro. I'm gonna probably hold on to this one for a little while. Hopefully, you know, it's really clicking. All right, let's go ahead and check out ChainX. Right, I know ChainX. It got like the two like, this makes no sense what I'm about to say, but there's two like circular rectangles crossing each other, right? It's like a yeah. No, it's chain links. It's chain links. Okay, that's what they are. PCX. All right, this is another one that is rocking with Polkadot. This one's been doing good past month, up over 140%, which is awesome. Down 18% the past 7 days. This could be an opportunity to buy the dip. Let's go ahead and check out their website. Make Bitcoin more valuable. Interesting. So ChainX, one of the earliest projects to launch on the Polkadot ecosystem, is committed to the research and application of Bitcoin Layer 2 expansion. Its growth as a digital asset gateway and becoming a Polkadot second layer relay chain for cross-chain asset exchange, a true pioneer in the development of Bitcoin cross DeFi. You know, this is interesting because like no matter what, Bitcoin's gonna be in the mix, bro. It's gonna be in the mix of what we got going on DeFi. It's gonna be an OG cryptocurrency that's probably gonna remain at number one. So integrating it into an L2 solution is necessary. Right now, if we go on DeFi Pulse, we know, right? We know that Bitcoin Layer 2 is really not doing the greatest right now. Lightning Network is ranked number 30, and it only has, what, 33 million in total volume locked up. Like right now it's at 33 million total volume locked up. This thing has not been doing well. I just seen a Chico video about a week ago, and he was, you know, showing how centralized it's become. It's become more centralized, and that was something that I've seen on videos from like a year ago. So not a year ago, 2-3 years ago, people were talking about how Lightning Network was going to centralize Bitcoin. So it's been, proof is in the pudding, you know what I'm saying? Like it's being proven. So I doubt that Lightning Network is going to be the right L2 solution, regardless of what Jack Dorsey got going on with what's it called, Square Crypto and stuff like that. Man, he needs to stop playing and just jump on this smart contract stuff, man. Stop playing games, Jack Dorsey. Like, show some love over here, man. Like, you, whatever, man. It is what it is, bro. Dudes be hating on ETH, man, but on the low, they buying it. We see what's going on with Grayscale, man. That's the second largest holding. ETH is a whale's game until 2.0. Yeah, I kind of agree with that, man. Kind of agree with that. Not, you know, it's to use it. Yeah, I agree with that. But right now, bro, it's already at that point. I remember when I first got in. I got in 2017 run. I'm not like way old in this thing, but yeah, I'm gonna check LTO in a sec. But I've been in this like 3-4 years now, right? And I remember ETH going over $1,000. I was broke. And I remember like, damn, man, I wish I just could get 1 ETH. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, dang, yo, I wish I could just get 1 ETH, man. And I know a lot of people feel like that right now. They don't have $1,000 that they could spend. Economy is, you know, in a struggling place right now. And a lot of people aren't working. A lot of people are using this as like a little side hustle, side income. Make sure you guys try to, like, you know, do a YouTube channel, do a Telegram group, go join Telegram groups, become moderators, get paid for that. Do whatever you can to side hustle if you at home, for real. But ETH is at that point again. It's over $1,000 where it's like, dang, man, I wish I would have got, you know, 2 ETH or 3 ETH. And it's gonna get to a point where it's like, yo, people are gonna be really kicking themselves about not having 1 ETH, bro. That's really possible. If it goes to 6,000 or 10,000, you're gonna be like, dang, y'all could have got 1 ETH for 400 recently. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna be crazy, bro. So right now it's a whale's game in terms of using it with transaction fees, but you know, a lot of L2 has been coming, man. So Bitcoin derivative platform, nice. Digital asset gateway, Polkadot second layer relay chain. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna look into this some more. I wanna do, this is like one of those like research joints. It's not like a quick pump kind of project. So appreciate you for putting this one on my radar. I'm gonna keep this tab open too. Let's go ahead and check out LTO. I know LTO been around for a minute. All right, we got LTO network. All right, past 7 days up 20%, past 30 days up over 100%. Look, guys, almost everything we looked at was an opportunity to double your bread. Remember, you double your bread, starting at $1,000, starting at $100. What about this? Starting at $100, you double your bread every month. 10 flips, bro. By the time October comes around, you'll be at 100,000. This is real. This is math. It's not that easy, but this is just the reality. You start with 100. You get to 200 this month. Next month, you get to 400. The following month, you get to 800. If you keep doubling, starting with $100, you're gonna have 100 racks at the end of the year. No, not at the end of the year, in October. At the end of the year, you're gonna be closer to 500 racks. You're gonna be at like 400 and change. So just know that it's possible with crypto, man. Especially now, we got so many options to be able to even short the market. So even if things turn around, you got 50 to 100, you know, 50 racks or something like that, and you short the market during a bear market, you're gonna make some good money too, man. So let's go ahead and check more into LTO. Let's go ahead, rank number 207. So it's not super low cap. Good, you know, $11 million in volume, $61 million market cap. On-chain business credentials. This makes me think of something else that we're gonna go ahead and look at that was pumping today. Blockchains worldwide, top 20, 50K daily transactions. Yeah, LTO is its own, it's on Ethereum right now, right? Okay. But they got an LTO Explorer. I want to click on that. What's going on? Oh, LTOs get burned too? And you can stake them? Okay. Alright, we're gonna look at something else after this, and then we're gonna look at Telos too, man. Let's see the tech. Okay, so functional layers, decentralized applications, organize, participate, and distribute applications via node without need for a central system. All right, it's explaining blockchains basically. Hybrid blockchain. LTO network allows 2 or more businesses to share and agree upon sequence of events. Okay. Private blockchain. All right, this is another one that takes real research to understand the value that they're providing in this space, because there's 2 types of projects, or guys, like, not 2, there's many, but there's 2 things that I look at. You know, is this a quick flip, and then is this a game changer? You know what I'm saying? And it speaks for itself right here. Take a deep dive. This is a deep dive, possible game changer with what they're trying to do, it seems like. Not that I've gotten enough information to say that I know that, but that's what it feels like when going through their website. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this one a little bit later for sure. LTO, remember somebody talked about LTO, so if this one pumps, guys, you should have done some research. All right. I forgot about Ramp, so let's go ahead and check out. Let's check out another one that I'm in real quick, and then we're gonna check out Ramp, and then I'm gonna go to Telos, and I'm gonna talk about another one that's pumping today. All right. So another one I'm in is Lena. This is linear finance. Hasn't been doing much over the past like couple days. Over the past 14 days, it is up around 60%. For the past month, 143%. Again, could have doubled your bread. You know, more than doubled your bread. So just know that. This one is like a synthetics type platform where they're creating synthetic assets. I talked about this one in the last stream. I'm currently staking right now. I already got some decent staking rewards, to be completely honest, and migrated all of my my contract and everything over to Binance Smart Chain. Anybody that thinks that I'm not rocking with any other blockchains than Ethereum, believe that is wrong, please, bro. Like, I rock with other blockchains wherever the gains is at, man, like straight up. So yeah, he's talking about Ramp. Yeah, we got to check out Ramp. Yeah, so this is another good one, man. I got a small bag in this one. Small bag, nothing too crazy. Let me see if I'm even logged in on my my MetaMask real quick. Oh yeah, I'm logged in on Binance Chain. So yeah, I could probably actually go ahead and show you guys. I got a small bag on the Binance Chain. So I got like a little under $1,000 in this one. If you can see, let me go and move it over. Yeah, like a little under $1,000 on this joint, but it's kind of like synthetics where you can stake, you can get staking rewards, right? I just got my first staking rewards for the week. I'm not sure how often they're distributed or claimable because they're locked right now. But for my like less than 40,000 coins, I got 500 coins. So interesting. And Binance Chain, very cheap, very fast. So very much like synthetics where you can basically create LUSD, which is a stable coin, with your Lena tokens, and that's how you stake. When you want to unstake, you need to burn your LUSD. And I already traded LUSD for BNB. Like it works completely fine. And pretty soon they're talking about having Bitcoin, wrapped Bitcoin and Ethereum used as collateral to create LUSD. Once that starts happening, I think that this thing is going to take off. So give this thing like a month or two and it's a wrap. That's my opinion. So just letting y'all know, not financial advice. Now let's go ahead and look at Ramp. All right, because I've been saying I was going to look at that since the beginning of this video and I haven't. I looked at Ramp like a week ago and finally found out what it was. This one's up 50% in the past 14 days, but for the past 30 days, over 400%. Are you guys kidding me? Bro, are you kidding me? Like, somebody said Engine. Yeah, you already know. My man's Republican said Engine has been pumping hard. Yes, sir, bro. Engine is one of my favorite projects in this space. Calisthenics Wade. Shout out to my boy Calisthenics Wade. He said, check out Super Farm. Elio Trades, Ivan on Tech are promoting it. I think that's actually like Elio Trades' project. I didn't watch his video talking about it yet, but we're definitely gonna check out Super Farm. That's a good one to look at. Ramp DeFi. Let's go to their website. This one's 400%. How do you guys call out an X? Like, when you double your money, do you call out a 1X or do you call out a 2X? Because if you're thinking of math, like anything that's times 1, like a 1X is the same number. So I always say a 2X for a double, but I could be wrong. So I don't want to confuse people. Just wondering. Somebody said Cocos. Hold on, we about to look at that in a sec. All right, unlocking liquid capital from staked assets. This is what I want. See, this is, I like this. Thank you, Sandman, for clarifying. I say 2X. That's how I say it. In the past 2 years, the staking economy has grown. Ramp DeFi proposes that the stake capital of a non-ERC20 staking blockchains be collateralized into stablecoin RUSD, which is issued on Ethereum blockchain. Similarly, users on Ethereum blockchain can mint EUSD by depositing their ERC20 stablecoins into Ramp EUSD pool. There's can borrow, lend, or exchange freely, creating seamless liquidity on and off ramp. So this is interesting. This is kind of like, yo, a lot of people are going off of what synthetics did, and they're creating like more opportunities with it, man. More opportunities, because when you stake your synthetics, you get SUSD, and now it's like I've seen a lot of people basically piggybacking off of that and creating all these opportunities. Cross-chain liquidity bridge, retain staking rewards, yield stacking. Whew, all right, not gonna go through that right now. Integrations with Solana. Anyway, I've been looking at Solana lately, man. Like, looks like a really fast blockchain, man. Injective Protocol, another one I really like, man. Another one I like. I'm not in it though. I'm not in it, just to be honest. And I said I was gonna get in it, man. I'm not, yo, not yet. It is what it is. A lot of different projects rocking with this. See, got a little team out here. I feel like he was somebody. He is somebody that. Oh, all right. Well, forget that. I ain't logging into no LinkedIn. He's somebody, man. I forgot who he was, man. This technical advisor. I feel like he's from IOST or something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out this Cocos. Oops. I'm seeing, is this the one? I'm seeing that it's up, 61% over here, man. Let's move that over a little bit more. That's what I'm seeing. What? Hold on. Yo, what am I seeing, bro? Bro, what am I seeing? What am I seeing, bro? What? How? What? Maybe like some crazy burn, or what happened here? What? Yo, what is this, bro? What the heck is that, man? Nah, bro. Is this really possible? Like, is this on Ethereum? All right, so here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to check Dex tools. That's what we're just gonna have to check Dex tools and see if there was really any opportunity to get in at those low prices. And how is it not like? How is it not trending? Right? Imagine putting a rack in there, bro. Putting $1,000 into that. Yo, this has been happening on Dex tools a lot lately, man. Like, it's just been acting up, bro. Imagine putting in a freaking $1,000 and then it goes up a million or whatever percent, 166,000% over the past, let's see, yeah, past 14 days, 298,000, 59%. Wow. 374,638%. Meaning that there was opportunities to get in between these dates, right? Between 30 days ago, 14 days ago, and 7 days ago, were there opportunities to get in? This thing is still going up, right? Oh, come on, Dex Tools. You're killing me right now. Let's go click on something else, see if it works, and then try to go to Cocos. Crazy that RFI bounced back too, man. That's crazy, right? I mean, it's not like, around where, it peaked off at. Was that? No, this is the 15-minute chart. That's why. Sorry, let's get this music popping again. Yeah. Oh, around $3, I think, was its high. So man, it's cool to see RFI like, you know, retesting all-time highs again, man. Like, that's crazy. Shout out to everybody that held RFI. I definitely sold mine. Let's try this Cocos again. I gotta see it on Dex Tools, bro. I gotta see this thing on Dex Tools. This thing is breaking Dex Tools, bro. Dex Tools can't even keep up with it, man. All right, well, let's go ahead and just check out what it is. I've seen this around. I don't remember, like, this looks crazy already. Okay, all right. This looks terrible so far. Create, build, and test blockchain games across multiple blockchain platforms. Bro, I would have never bought this, bro. I would have missed this pump regardless, bro. I would have never bought this right here. Let's see what they got for DeFi. Cross swap, and it's in some kind of Asian language. Oh, that's enough for Cocos. This is crazy though. That's bugged out. It's on Binance. Yeah, let's check out these different most of the volume is on Binance too. Yeah, I don't get it, man. This is crazy. I don't get it. But shout out to whoever got a piece of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's fire. That is fire. Let's see. Chart X? Yeah, let's check out Chart X. Never really used this. I've clicked links to this back in the whole Uniswap run, but haven't really used it. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna just have to let this one go. One more try. Astro Tools. Isn't that another one? Is this some other stuff? Yeah, I knew I was gonna end up with some other stuff. All right, it is what it is. But well, guys, these millionaire opportunities are out here, man. We just gotta keep doing our research, just get into dope projects and just making it happen, man. Qtum, like, why is Qtum up, bro? Qtum. Everything from the 2017 run is getting a pump so that the people that were whales of that project could get their way out, and that's that, man. Because why is Qtum pumping, bro? Seriously. Yeah, he said, I think it feels too good to be true. It's not on ChartX. All right, thanks for confirming that, bro. Yeah, this thing still won't load over here, man. It's like breaking the charts, man. It's not loading. What other gems? Look at Luna. All right. Oh, before we look at Luna, my bad. Wow, Bao's been going up. Chico called this one out, and he made it do a multiple like crazy. Yeah, in the past, like the past 2 days, it really did like a tripled in price. Yeah, because he called this out like 2 days ago over here, and here we are, like. So, man, that's another thing to do, guys. Turn on post notifications for some of these big YouTubers, because if you could get in before everybody else FOMOs into the low cap gems that they call out, Leo Trades, Chico, not as much BitBoy anymore, but him too, just because BitBoy talks about so many. Nothing against that. I'm just saying, like, I've seen that his calls haven't had as much influence on people FOMOing in. Whether or not that's a good or a bad thing is one thing, but just know that occurs. But the other two, Leo Trades and Chico, definitely. And also Sheldon, that's another one, because he talked about Bird.money. This is a project that I was in and I got out, and I feel so stupid for. This one is up 136% for the day. Solid looking little project, man. Basically, they're an Oracle platform, and they basically give you almost like a credit rating based on your on-chain activity. They they look at, you know, have you been dealing with a bunch of rug pulls? Have you been getting liquidated on your collateralized debt positions, on your loans and flash loans and stuff like that? And it looks at all your history, your payment history, all of this stuff, your amount of activity. So if you create a new wallet, you're not going to really have much to really look at. This is messed up. They need to fix this, or maybe just because it's not full screen. But they give you like a rating, and they'll allow you to actually, you know, borrow higher amounts. Is there lending? Is it live? Let's see if their lending is live. That'd be crazy. Lark is another one. Lark is pretty good because he's not like super like become a millionaire every single day. You know what I mean? So, wow. Let's see if it'll still load up. Their lending protocol is live. It looks like it'll have a beta version. I am gonna look into this. I'm tight right now. You know what? At a $10 million market cap, this thing is still a buy. Bro, this is still a buy. This is still a buy. Mr. Lodex said Mitch Ray all the way. Shout out to Mitch Ray. I'll still be checking out his TA here and there, but I'm not sure what you mean by that, where you came from. Did somebody ask about a TA question? Theta and T-Fuel will be big. Yeah, no, that's for sure, bro. Theta's definitely gonna definitely be big, bro. DIY is good. Let's see, somebody said DIP, DIP. What did I say I was gonna look at for somebody before I did I look at Luna? That's what it is. Okay. Is it this one? This is ranked number 71. Programmable money for the internet, which is crypto. Yeah, he said Mitch Ray is only good for TA technical analysis. Mitch knows nothing about crypto except for Bitcoin. This is facts, bro. Does TA work in crypto? Absolutely, especially for the larger cap projects, and it even does for the low cap projects too. But what's going to cause a coin to pump? Like, it has all to do with fundamentals. So when you combine the two, it's a great thing. And I watch a couple of TA experts, man. I watch Mitch Ray. I watch The Moon. Carl from The Moon is excellent, bro. He's great. Like, he knows what he's talking about. I watch Arcane Bear sometimes. Really like his channel as well. Get a lot of knowledge from all of these guys. There was another one. Oh man, I wish I had their names like listed out, man. But I watch quite a few of these guys, man. Let's see. So this is a stable coin. I'm guessing there's a different one that's more like a governance coin or something. Okay, there was another Terra when I typed it in. Somebody asked me about API 3. I'm gonna probably look that up. No, another Luna when I typed it in. Oh, Wrap Luna. Okay, well, let's check out API 3. I didn't really look into this one. I've seen a lot of people talking about that, calling it out in the Shill Squad Telegram group, so make sure you guys join. Somebody talk about 888. Bro, I'm so sick about 888, bro. Missing out on pumps, bro. Like, yo, you don't even understand what happened on MPH. I think that's what it is, right? MPH. I got in when it was $7, $8, and somebody exploited their protocol, and I said, I'm out, bro. I got out. I got out. And then the next day, I swear to everything, the next day it did a 10x, and then it pulled back for a while, and Elio Trades talked about it again, and it went back up even higher. That's like a 20x I missed out on, bro. I'm sick, but you know what? There's more. More is gonna be there. I thought exploiting their protocol on day one was gonna, kill the project, but I guess not. Somebody got away with like 100 or 200,000 coins or something like that, man. It was crazy. Like, okay, I guess I'm out of here. Nobody else sold. So strong hands. It's crazy to me. I don't think I ever would have made a different decision. I just wish I wasn't in the chat when it happened. You know what I mean? Like, I just wish I didn't see the chat when it happened, bro. But anytime I see that, I'm going to always make that same decision to just get out. Decentralized APIs for Web3. Sounds kind of like Graph a little bit. Create powerful decentralized applications with API 3's decentralized, governed, and quantifiably secure data feeds. Is this like an Oracle then? Oracles and APIs, huh? Party oracles operated by some of the world's premier API providers. I like oracles. Oh, did I mention that Bird is also an oracle? Yeah. DAO governed, nice. Another one that I'm probably gonna have to watch a few videos talking about this, man. If you know any videos, let me know. All right, later, Lodax. Shout out to you for dropping through, man. The OGs might just flex here soon. Ethereum Classic to the moon, possibly. Digibyte has slow growth but has huge potential. I've never really been a big fan of Digibyte, but I'm also not like against it at all. It got more features than, it's definitely better than like Litecoin. Goodness gracious, bro, that bothers me. Litecoin. We getting ready to wrap it up, by the way, guys. So let me know if there's any last few things you want me to look at. But yeah, we getting ready to wrap this thing up soon. I honestly was gonna do like a quick 30 minutes or something like that. I think my man's what's his name? Crypto Culture, my man's Kenzie. We doing a stream together tomorrow. So I'm streaming again tomorrow, and then Monday it's back to regular videos. So just look out for that tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Me and my man's Crypto Culture gonna be doing that. So let's go ahead and check out Cake. Oh, Pancake. This is like this one might be good, bro. This is like the uni token with like a lot of cool stuff going on Binance Smart Chain. This is interesting. I haven't dug deep into it, but this is where I swap my LUSD for Binance, and all of that stuff. So yeah, pretty cool project, man. They got farms for like new projects and stuff like that, where you can just get some serious returns. 174% APY for staking your Pancake and BNB. So that's nice. This is definitely like slept on, man. Don't sleep on Binance Smart Chain, bro. BSC is doing a couple moves, man. Not saying it's the best blockchain. I don't know what is, bro, but it's doing okay. Let's check out Injective. We talked about it, but we didn't check it out. And then we'll check out Secret, which is Enigma revamped. So I think we'll probably wrap it up after that. Injective Protocol is another one that is doing derivatives, decentralized derivatives, unlimited financial markets. And I think that this one already has like 2 traditional stocks. Like they have futures for Tesla and Twitter, which is insane. I've seen somebody say they bought their first Tesla stock on a blockchain, bro. This is crazy. So Injective, don't sleep on it. I'm really interested in all these derivatives platforms. You know, I'm a big believer in synthetics, but synthetics is falling behind on the layer 2 thing. They just, you know, they just moved over. They're claiming their rewards to layer 2, but Injective is running on L2. Perpetual Protocol is running on L2, and that's just a common theme that we're gonna be seeing here. So I'm interested in this one. I would like to buy it, but I'm kind of like spread a little bit thin, so I'm gonna just stick to perp for now. But I want to buy this token. I said I was gonna look at Telos earlier. Let's see where it's at. Rank 600, almost 4 cents. It's been doing good for the past month, so shout out to Telos. Might have to hit them up, man. Hit that worker proposal system up, but their trading volume is doo-doo. You know, it's nothing. So that's terrible. And then we said we were gonna check out Secret. Secret making you 35%. Is that like APY on staking or something? So Secret Network, they got their own blockchain now. I think this is basically Secret smart contracts. This is Enigma finding like a new way to kind of like do their thing again. I believe that's what this is. So staking is 35%. That's nice. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I took a look at this. But I didn't like deep dive. I don't know if there's anything that's already live. The Secret Ethereum bridge is live on mainnet. Nice. But that's just a bridge. Any Secret smart contracts already working? That's what I would like to see. Because if that works, oh my God, bro. Secret is going to go crazy, bro. If they got, bro, if this works, bro, okay. Well, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this thing up, man. I appreciate everybody for coming through. Let's go ahead and go to my channel here. Don't forget, guys, make sure if you're not already subscribed, you just landed here, subscribe to the channel. I'm going live again tomorrow with my boy Kenzie from Crypto Culture. We're gonna try to start collabing like every Sunday or so. I really only want to do like 1 live stream a week, but maybe 2 if I just don't feel up for creating a video. But Monday it's right back to business. I appreciate everybody for showing love, for coming through, jumping in the chat, man. Look, we got over 5,000 subscribers, guys. The channel is growing significantly, and on top of that, the Telegram group is nearly 300. It might be 300 by the time I look at it again. So I really appreciate it, guys. Let's just stick together as a community, keep on telling each other about these different projects, keep on coming up with different strategies and sharing it with each other so that we could just run up the bag during this bull run and even be prepared for a bear market and possibly make some gains off of that as well. All right, crypto is where this all can happen. So if anything, I will see you guys tomorrow. Catch you on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.